Habitat restoration and youth engagement. The Land Trust for the Mississippi Coastal Plain educates and inspires youth to prepare the next generation of environmental stewards. The program included training for underserved youth from southern Mississippi on habitat restoration and invasive species control. It also supported students with mentorship opportunities and environmental education. Students learned how healthy wetland ecosystems provide important functions for the Gulf, including flood mitigation, nutrient filtering, and healthy habitats. The Land Trust trained students to use GPS equipment and geographic information systems. Students learned to plot waypoints for tortoise burrows, mature tree stands, and invasive species. They were presented with maps created from the data to identify sensitive habitats that show the extent of restoration needed. Students also helped efforts to protect the dusky gopher frog and gopher tortoise that rely on the Land Trust protection. They applied newly learned skills as they identified, marked, and removed trees for timber management and planted longleaf pines to re-establish tree canopies for critical habitats. The Land Trust for the Mississippi Coastal Plain benefits the health of the Gulf through the long-lasting impacts of environmental education, inspiring career paths in conservation and science-related fields. Congratulations to the Land Trust for the Mississippi Coastal Plain for its training program, the third-place Golf Guardian Award winner in the Youth Environmental Education category.